Using neem oil for plants can be very beneficial if you follow up a right way to use this thing. In this video, we will talk all about neem oil and its benefits. At the end, there are a few side effects of neem oil for plants that you must aware of. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Neem oil is the yellow-colored oil extracted from the seeds of neem plant that is majorly used to serve plants to treat number of pest-related problems. There are a few other benefits of neem oil as well that makes this thing even more useful. First of all, it works as a pest control and used in the form of pesticide spray all over the plant. It is also used as an insecticide because neem oil have a strong smell that small insects hate. Sometimes these insects works as a transporter of pests, taking them from one plant to other. This can cause the spreading of a pest, so here neem oil is very useful. Regular application of neem oil spray on vegetable plants boost their immunity against these pests, and hence the plant produces a defense mechanism that is in short very useful for such plants. Spraying a small amount of neem oil pesticide over the soil surface also prevents the soil-borne pests, which includes nematodes, fungi, bacteria and so on. Neem oil spray can also be used to treat fungal problems like powdery mildew, leaf spot, fire blight and so on. This way neem oil also works as a fungicide. Another benefit of neem oil is that it is natural and organic pest control, as it's the extraction of neem seeds. Beside its pesticidic effects, neem oil also have some nutrients in it, and spraying its liquid over the plant leaves works as a foliar fertilizer. It improves the bright color of leaves by directly providing them a range of essential nutrients. So considering these benefits of neem oil for plants, it's very important to know the right way to make its liquid pesticide, so we can get these benefits effectively. To make neem oil spray, first of all we need neem oil, and a pure quality neem oil is linked in the description box to buy. Take a liter of simple water in a bottle, and add a tablespoon of neem oil in it. As neem oil is an oil, and it would not mix evenly with the water, so here you can use a small amount of liquid soap in it. You can also add a half tablespoon of baking soda to improve the effectiveness of our pesticide. After adding all, mix well, and here is our neem oil pesticide spray ready to use. Applying neem oil spray on plants correctly is also important, so it can work well. To apply neem oil, here we have these tomato seedlings with leaf miners attack on them. Just spray the neem pesticide all over the plant. Make sure the liquid is getting on each and every side of the plant. You can also spray this liquid over the soil surface. It prevents soil pests and also repels insects. After around 5 days of applying neem oil, these plants have reduced effect. The new leaves are not affected. That is a good sign. The older leaves wouldn't turn normal back, so don't worry about them. This way you can apply neem oil on your plants every 10 to 15 days, and 4 to 5 days for an affected plant. For most effective results, try to apply neem oil spray at the evening time. There are a few side effects you should know about neem oil pesticide. Neem oil is a concentrated form, and that's why we use it by mixing it with water. Directly applying raw neem oil can cause burning of leaves, so be careful about that. Neem oil have a strong smell that basically repel these pests and insects, so it can be irritating for some people. Neem oil also have some allergic compounds in it that can be harmful for some people, so be aware of that. Neem oil is a natural and plant-based pesticide, that's why it's not a quick fix and takes time to show its effects. Neem oil is more of a prevention rather than treatment, and it is a perfect choice to repel and prevent pests attack. But as a treatment it's not so much useful. Depending on the seriousness of the problem, sometimes we need to use chemical spray. So as a conclusion, it will be very helpful if we follow the golden line: prevention is better than cure. As we all know, yellow leaves are very common. A video is linked here to show you how to treat yellow leaves, step by step. Must check it out.